Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. We recently had company over and everyone was super impressed with these beautiful plates. These are disposable plates from Chic Leaf and they are absolutely stunning while you're eating, while you're having company over, or just for every day. The plates are surprisingly sturdy despite how light they are. They're completely made out of palm leaves. And even with the heaviest of meals and cutting up of our meat, they proved very durable and sturdy. I also really like them because they have different patterns on each one. You can see the beautiful colors thanks to those palm leaves, and they have different textures on each and every one. This set in particular came with a set of 12 of the 10-inch size, which was really sturdy and durable for our large meal, and it also came with 12 of the smaller size, perfect for dessert plates or a little bit of a light snack. We also felt really comfortable because they're not made out of plastic. We could throw them into the garbage conscience clear. If you're looking for something that's elegant looking and perfect for your next gathering, or if you just need some dishes to carry you over so that you don't have to wash your real ones, go with these beautiful, gorgeous, natural looking plates. But that's just my point of view.